So your daughter got a job as a network cabling specialist. That's incredible. You must be so proud.
I have no idea what a network cabling specialist is. Do you?
Wi-Fi, courtesy of your network cabling specialist.
Wow. It says here that a career as a network cabling specialist is the fastest growing trade in the sector. Who knew?
Okay, diet starts tomorrow. Wow, IBEW and their partner contractors are leaders in the industry. And they're all over Ontario. Is it just me or is it freezing in here?
Temperature control, courtesy of your network cabling specialist.
I'm not gonna have a relationship with Jack, a romantic one.
Technically, daytime television can be considered educational, right?
Cable TV, courtesy of your network cabling specialist. Home safety, courtesy of your network cabling specialist.
Ah, the end of another perfect day. Night night.
A network cabling specialist installs the telecommunications highway where all your data travels. Be part of the growing trend with a career as a network cabling specialist.